Can you say, whoa, careful with it, it's hot. Do you want to be the operator? Want me to do it? Should we do this one? Whoa. Whoa. Woo. Sticky, sticky. Can you say hi, YouTube? Say, can you like and subscribe?
Touch.
Touch? Okay, I need more heat. Ready?
Okay.
Okay.
Oh no! This, oh come on.
It's peeling back over, eh?
Okay.
Oh, you're cleaning up.
Hey, I'm not.
All right, guys, it's day 2. Yesterday and last night, I worked hard at getting the wrap off. There's a graphic, obviously, on both sides of the truck, and so we used the heat gun and peeled it off. My nephew helped me out with peeling the wrap off. He actually did a better job than me. So today we're gonna be trying to buff off the adhesive that was left behind. As we got the purple off, the plastic, but there's a lot of gooey goop left. So we got the wheel. We just need a sticky pad. Line it up. Looks like the pad's just a little bit shy. Looks like this might be like a 7-inch wheel. This is a 6-inch pad. Might not work. All right, so it's been raining the whole day, so I need to obviously microfiber towel this and clean it up, and then putting some heat on there first, and then the Goo Gone spray, or maybe, and then I'm gonna try buffing it with the wheel and see if we get any progress. I mean, I think it kind of worked. It's gone. I'm just worrying I'm gonna kind of dent the metal. This is on the lowest setting and it's pushing against, but maybe if I put it on a higher setting and just skim the surface. So I've been at it for a bit now, and I've done one door panel. The outcome of it isn't too bad. See if I switch my light here. As you see, there's the old adhesive clearly shown. Better than I actually thought. Something really faint that's still showing after this first round. I'll come back with a polisher, and I'm sure it'll get out the faint lines around where the wrap was. Probably just do this tonight, and we'll probably check back tomorrow. Alright, hey guys, it's day 3 and I got home from work and I ended up picking up a different microfiber cloth for the buffer and a new pad. As you see in the video, it wasn't working the greatest to buff out all the spots, but this is kind of what we're looking at here. Pretty well perfect. Got all the spots off this side. And it went really well with the new microfiber. On that side. Looking pretty good. We're just gonna head off and get his first car wash done, cause it needs it pretty bad. Alright, so now we're gonna head over. Alright, so now, so the buffering's done, thankfully, and the wrap's off. Before polishing, we need to take this thing to the car wash. It hasn't got a car wash yet, so that's where we're gonna head. So that's where we're gonna head. So we've buffered the sun's setting right now. So I'm just hoping I don't go past a cop here. Vlogging or is this vlogging? Videoing yourself and driving, probably not the best thing to do. But here on this channel, We do not care. I think I'm gonna take some photos of this truck. My truck, I keep calling it this truck, but it is officially my truck since me purchasing it, which is how. Might go to the industrial part of town for some photos, but honestly I'll just wing it on the way home. And ooh, maybe the gas station would be cool. All right, this kind of looks like a cool location. Let me know what you think. Hey. All right, so I think we found a decent looking spot here. Got the truck parked here. And the sunset's popping off. So yeah, I think we'd take some photos. And maybe we'll throw in a little bit of B-roll. We'll get some B-roll of this truck, but yeah. I'm gonna get the shots before the sunset dies. I don't have my other camera to do some behind the scenes, so that's unfortunate, but we'll see what I get, and yeah, you'll have to see the photos after this sequence. Alright, so I got the photos that I like. It's definitely getting darker. Looks nicer now with the headlights. But yeah, I think we got some good shots. And yeah, truck looks good. Successful little shoot here for the first time with the Tacoma. So I hope you enjoyed. It's been a while since I've posted and thought this would be a good next post, because this is exciting and this will be for the next days ahead and all the adventures to come. So yeah, hope you enjoyed. Thank you.